Welcome to our first video in Intermediate Algebra. My name is Jeff Anderson. In this video, we're going to talk about a review of arithmetic, and this is part of our Introduction to Algebraic Equations, which I call Lesson 1. Quick review. We say that arithmetic is the study of numbers with a focus on exploring techniques to calculate and properties of operations between numbers. That's a lot of words. Forget about all that crazy stuff. The main focus in arithmetic, which is kind of the level up towards algebra, is to explore numbers and operations on numbers. Major idea, we look at how numbers work, and we also look at taking numbers, putting them together with things called operations, and figuring out what the heck we're doing. So, quick recap of that concept. Arithmetic is the study of operations on numbers. Well, immediate question that might come up is, well, what the heck is an operation? And which ones do we focus on? Sadly, operations do not happen in a hospital where we're cutting open numbers and looking on the inside of them. Instead, operations happen between numbers. The first operation that we usually consider in arithmetic is addition, and this is the operation of counting. The whole idea of addition is that we're going to count a few things. So an example of a fun addition problem is to take 5 things, count them, take another 3 things, count them, and then figure out how many things total that we have. Well, from our previous lives, we remember that this is 8. A nice representation of this graphically, I take 5 things, I take another 3 things, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total number of things that I've counted is 8. Addition is the operation of counting. Subtraction, we're going to say, is the inverse of addition. Another way to say this is subtraction undoes addition. In the way that we see this up here, if I said that I started with 8 things and took away 3, how many would I have left? Well, the whole concept here is I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, we start with 8 items, and then somehow we magically take away 3. So I just kind of, there goes 1, there goes 2, there goes 3. How many do I have left? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left after I take away those 3. The reason that we say that this undoes addition is because we're literally saying, okay, I have the output of an addition problem, and I want to know if I take away 3, what's left over? Well, there's no coincidence that those two numbers are the same. All right, so 2 of the operations we're going to focus on in arithmetic, and then will show up all in our algebra class, are addition and subtraction. Can you guess what the next 2 are?